A chair for me, Mamuni Aquaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So, Endra, will be friendly Anna Wape clarification on Shatawale, the nomination in Sensem Limu. Sensem no Akoye Menu, Ebimu say Shatawale when nomination, Ebimu says when nomination ye. And say never to us subscribe and click the notification bell so we understand latest news be about one sa Ebeka. Now, one Ghanaian blogger aside a year Endra NYDJ. Another Ghanaian blogger would di assembly mutinti mine I will also watch up a one etrese Shatawale dear wonya no any nomination no Ameya Debra. Na Obienim the long standing beef between Ameya Debra and Shatawale. Intine be mususu say Ameya Debra Haiti on Shatawale. Now we Emma TV3 new journalist Miss G. Now Miss G you be now work multimedia as we movie ako TV3. Na Emma Miss G could be in same way so TV3 say TV3 was radio station in terms of radio station and could be a same way Intina was a more free Fuse ODG because Fuse ODG no and also BBC at on a pen Ghanaian musicians and go say at one pen Stonebwoy any Fuse ODG in the sense Nkrofo album awomoso etu njom ewoso and nkrofo no enya nomination no they've also seen that into the same thing na Abba Shatawale side no last year the same thing went to Stonebwoy and Fuse ODG inti when you free Fuse ODG na bisa say Fuse ODG say embra so uficha ewo Ed Sheeran ne album so Ed Sheeran album ewini Grammys no na chese won so we wini ana and Fuse ODG ka say no Fuse there the onim ne say Grammy no as far as so participate wo Grammy ni mo dia ne bako ne wini a won so obefa ne say we wini it is ana Fuse ODG kan no eho na chese Ameya Debra so wo ho na Ameya Debra bi say Fuse wo wini ye no sebe senior Grammy ye de award no Emma Ed Sheeran no unso yema sa award and yema sa certificate ni bia na because eno ebe ma ye nia ye hu say indeed Grammy no say album no enye wo de na trese wo ye bibi wo so kra na unso ye be ma certificate. That's the contention here. That's the whole contention here. Ehwa na Fuse ODD July say Ameya Debra bisa ne say Fuse say unso wo nya certificate na yema bibi a etrese wo unso Grammy no wo ye winner na Fuse ODG July wo didi chese wo kekana adwen atre Ameya Debra say adan na mokran motesa adan na Ghana for motesa adan na sebe musician koso na afi mo the story say ba we Shatawale yes Shatawale aye ejuma wo album ne so album ni wini a Shatawale nso wini adan na afi mo pesa mo the story ba bonti a etre say Shatawale kan wonya nomination ye wonya we and almost say Fuse ye pese ye share adwen ye pese chese ye educate Ghanaians on this particular thing inti yesre wo akọ hopen ye no Grammy for throw letter mine o say Grammy for throw ema NYDJ ene Ameya Debra a wo mu cheche nsemu eno na ma Ameya Debra wo mo de ba bonti a wo mo de be trese senior na Shatawale claim say onu nso nya nomination no na enye sa na tie because album no na enye ne dia. It's almost trying to say, Fuse, you better say you're trying to ade because almost feel say a lot of misinformation ewa bonten ho. Na say Fuse in tiase, Fuse they no dey and say, yen ne say Shatawale ayewe, aden na baby Sam says menya certificate, aden na baby Sam say my ayewe. Inti we endra e ma social media enkrofo bebre chese wo mo kasa wo ho. Na Shatawale lankasa eba bonte be kasa ya Shatawale didi Ameya Debra atem ejefo nya easy wo didi na tem didi ni mame atem se aden na Ghana de motesa Ghana industry ni mo aden ono Shatawale de eto no nko ano afi nkofo ko ye hwehwemu de nsem aba bonte ya betre se ono Shatawale ne kra aden Shatawale waye mo den ono Shatawale no doesn't he deserve to also get nomination for Grammy and then asama Shatawale kanu etie fo enye easy we di chese attended dia Shatawale di na enye easy wo se won ti ase ono na wa ba bontin ya wo be ka se wenya nomination because of a year Beyonce edin the two album ne so ana na sisi amu ko fechi eko ye nsem de nsem abehye Ghana fo ni se o Shatta Wale de ne kra enye nomination. But you see I don't know, I feel say we need to actually explain it well. Na Ghana for here. Because in sensem na ye bebre. Won, it no won shede because Amaya Debra any NYDJ ni there. One more there Grammys for actual letter na more explain you. And so we don't actually know who is lying. Nti ye nim ni pakra wo twantro. But will be eka NSA. And as Shatta Wale ebe didi atem no nkofo bebre comment wase. We share video Shatta Wale post videos nko 3. Na the first video no was say Ghana media, I say Ghana media there. Oh no enkwasiafo. Ena wo post video wo didi Amaya Debra ne maame atem etiefo. Na wo post video didi Amaya Debra maame atem na Ghana fo bebre comment wase. Will be say I listened to the interview and there was nothing wrong about the question. Fuse got the question wrong and he messed up blaming for not helping or pushing our own. But before a man or before man and God, Miss G also did nothing wrong of asking because we are all learning. Exactly. Me no, I felt say Endra, let me tell interview and I felt say that Fuse ODG, he took the thing to the wrong side. Fuse ODG just got too emotional because I said my back. And I pen the crano. Miss G, a media personality. She's supposed to inform us. Miss G, there was a one no na a yana say because on also was Shatta Wale post. Into no according to a new Miss G no. Now when him say Shatta Wale in your nomination. Yabeka any Amaya Debra, one of the most credible bloggers in Ghana. Yabeka say Amaya Debra also the news story about said that be the Shatta Wale I and your nomination bia. Inti as Miss G ne dia so ayene say e was say what twetwe nkomo from obi asebe won nso what get it to that level pain. Inti Miss G ebisa Fuse ODG and a Fuse osanso bisa Amaya Debra no na nka was say Fuse ODG just answer. Inti ebisa Fuse ODG say oh Fuse say be your certificate and bibia e kire say indeed you were also a winner. Nanka waka say nanka asem de na asem akọ na ye nia ye hu say okay then Shatta Wale is really a nominee. Enti for him say they make an what as you. Nanka Amaya Debra any Miss G ebisa Fuse ODG say Fuse. One so last year we ye enjom ewo Ed Sheeran the album so. Ena Ed Sheeran album no e winning Grammy. Enti Ed Sheeran album no winning Grammy no. Wo Fuse ODG won so ye recognize wo say won so na wo ye winner na. Nanka o answer nanka ye nia ye hu say then automatically Shatta Wale is also a nominee. Nanka o kan da bia na ye hu say okay the Amaya Debra kan ne kre. But Fuse ODG answer o. E ho an say ene mo de Ghana media de ene mo ye negative dodo ene asema mo bi sam oh it make a meeting interview na me say oh Fuse say it's a simple answer. It's a yes or no. Na fe de o de kofa baby ene akwa say who dey for baby like it ended up in a meeting interview. No, I said, "Nipaku can." They said that that's what I was thinking. Nipaku can say before God and man, Miss V also did nothing wrong of asking because we are all learning. It could be the other way around. Why Miss V called Fuse, but not other acts because Miss V knew Fuse got the answers to the question. And non Americano, Epia na Miss V ne krano no dientia. And I Miss G, your friend Miss G. But Nipaku throw Miss V. Epia na Miss G krano. The entire warrior when they say, well, was Shatta Wale side into a percent Fuse ODG answer not Ghana for who they say, indeed, Amaya Debra is wrong. But Fuse ODG didn't take it on the right side. And a Fuse ODG, I can't say, oh, and that me tell me say, well, I should Fuse. But still, now for Fuse, say, Fuse, you are real G, you're a real G, you're a real G. But that be, it's not about real G, we all want to learn until so we do hopping. Answer ye na ye nia ye hu se eye ne kre and enye ne kre na ye bisa question now dey fefa ha and Fuse eno ni asema na me nso me feel nti no etiefo mo ntre mo adwen e wo comment box ni mu Shatta Wale de wa ba bonten be didi atem enye easy we didi atem enye easy kra nti no eno ni asema da ho me da ase